a time when we are seeing major players look inward, look protectionist, develop a new nationalism that excludes the other, that China is leading by example to say we embrace international solidarity, we open up opportunities in our economies for greater and deeper engagement, is a vote of confidence in multilateralism and international cooperation. And I think the world needs that significantly at this moment. The very fact that it has substantially expanded since last year in attendance and ambition represents a vote of confidence that it was a right thing to do, that many developing countries see it as a significant market opening for them to be vendors of what they can export as goods and services into the Chinese market.